breakfast pa natin, guys. Ayan. Tapos, tea. Ayan po ang ating breakfast, guys. Ayan po, guys. Tara, guys. Kain po tayo, guys, ng breakfast. Ayan. Orange na muna tayo, guys. Tapos, tea ang ating kakainin, guys. Ayan po. Thank you, guys, for watching. Bye! Ayan, tara guys. Almusal po tayo. Fruits muna tayo ngayon guys. Orange. Dahil tayo ay may sipon. Dahil masama yung aking pakiramdam guys. Kaya eto. Yan po ang ating breakfast, guys. Ayan, thank you guys for watching. Bye!